everyone, and especially to you for watching this video. Okay, I'm going to make her some shoes. Well, she's got a lot of shoes here, but she's got many doubles of shoes that are doubles, so I want to change them a bit. And then there's shoes that's too small for her as well, or doesn't fit on her feet. So yeah, I'm gonna use these shoes, and I'm gonna show you different ways of how to change the looks on the Barbie shoes. I do love my shoes, so yeah, that's why I want to make some shoes for her. Like for instance, this shoes is perfect, so I don't think I'm going to change anything on the shoes here for her. But let me first pack out all the shoes here, and then I will show you then next. Okay, so there is all the shoes packed out now. I mean, look how many red shoes are there. I don't think any woman needs so many red shoes. And then there is shoes that look the same, and there's some more 3 pairs that looks the same. So I like this one here. That's actually quite nice sandal, so I think I'm going to leave this. I'm not going to change anything about that, but this I will show you different ways. You will be surprised actually what I'm going to do. And of course this shoes I'm going to leave like that, because I do like those shoes as well. And even maybe one of these pink pair, but the other one I'm going to change. This one I already changed a bit, because there was a strap here, and it didn't want to go over her feet, so I just cut off the strap. But I do not like the shoe, so I'm going to do something totally different with that shoe. And then the ballet shoes I really do not like, but maybe I can put a heel on there or something, I don't know. The boots I want to change, because I don't want red boots. I rather want a pair of black and a pair of brown boots. And like this shoes here, I do not like this shoes at all. It's so old-fashioned to me. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. And then there's a purple. I do love my purple, but really this purple shoes does not do it for me, even those there. This one I thought it was the same as that, but it's not. It's different. So maybe I think I'm going to leave this as well, or do a little to nothing changes on the shoes as well, because yeah, every girl needs purple shoes as well. So yeah, this is the same as for the little daughter. But this one's fit this doll. I just don't know if it's this for the mother, but I'll see about that. And this shoes doesn't fit, I think, or even if it does fit, I really don't like this old boot type thing. It's just not nice for me. I really, nope. I don't think, no, it doesn't fit. No, but yeah, I've got plans with this as well. Not the same fail I had with the little daughter's shoes. It was also this, just in a pink. But yeah, so I'm gonna change over the next few videos. I'm gonna make her some shoes. So yeah, today I think I'm just going to do a simple change here and there. And then, yeah, let's get started. And I bought myself some Sharpies at last. It was a bit pricey. It's 370 Rand. So it's about $25. But at least you get 2 Sharpies, the gold and the silver, for free. So, yeah, I'm actually glad I bought it. I could have almost buy myself a fully articulated Barbie for this price, but yeah, I always wanted Sharpies. This is a fine point. The one of the thicker point was almost 500 Rand, which is almost, yeah, it's about $33. So yeah, it's pricey, but yay, I've got Sharpies. So I'm gonna try and see if the Sharpies is going to work on the shoes, and if it's as good as it always looks on YouTube. So yeah, let's carry on. Okay, so this shoes here is for another day. This I'm just going to change lightly with just the black Sharpie. I already tried and tested on one of the shoes here and it worked. So I just want to make the sole black of the shoe, so it just is not all the same color. And yeah, I think the difference is quite nice if you look at it. And there you go. These two, I'm just going to do the soles, just make them black. There you go. Quick few changes to some shoes, and that all with just a Sharpie. And yeah, I am really glad I bought the Sharpies at last. So next is the shoes, and I'm gonna do some changes as well on the shoes here, and then yeah, I'll have a surprise for you as well of how easy it actually is to make some doll shoes. So until next time, bye.